So here on the inside, you have these nice little teeth kind of holding everything together. And then on the bottom of the seat here, you have this little lever that flips this out of the way so that you can adjust your seat. Not bad for 70s. And then there's a little tab that you can't really see. Let me see if I can get a better angle on it. That little tab right there is what you depress so you can pull it all the way out. So as you can see, Grandpa and friends got very creative with separating the engine from the passenger compartment a little bit. But this big boy would not come out with the seats in, which is why we removed them. So we're going to go ahead and take this off and see what's underneath. I would say that's pretty unique. Obviously. Let's look at it from the other side. Oh yeah. Definitely crammed in there, huh? Tubing goes down. I'm going to jack up the front, put the whole car on jack stands, so that way I can get into it better, which is fine with Grandpa. Luckily, use 1-inch steel tubing to reinforce the whole frame, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I got the front radiator out, I got the gas tank out, got the rest of the coolant you can hear draining kind of in the background. I just wanted to zoom in real quick. So I remember one time I was a teenager and I was fixing the brakes on my S10 that I drove. And Grandpa gave me this lesson about being really careful about bending brake lines and stuff because it's a pain in the butt. So whether he did it or one of his friends or, you know, somebody that was helping him, it's nice to see that at some point in his life, Grandpa didn't do everything perfectly. But it's part of the journey. And yeah, definitely different right now. Alright, so we got the transmission fan out. Got a new filter, but look at what's in this pan. Let's look at it. So not bad. That crud right there came off my finger when I was checking it earlier. But overall, not bad for something that I know was put to work. Pull this old gasket off, get these mating surfaces cleaned up, and we'll get this reinstalled. Where did the suction cup bottle work there? Alright. I don't think this video gives justice to how tight it is in here. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Don't break. Just open. Oh. There we go. Okay, donated that one to the floor. Let's take my watch off. Put you over here. Oh yeah, this one will be real fun. Okay, Grandpa, how the hell you change this one? Alright, I guess that'll work. Let's show you how tight that is. Not very good lighting in here, huh? Let me go ahead and get light. Yeah, that's fun.